Runway has just released their Gen 3 version to the public. The videos you are seeing here, they're all generated by Runway. In this tutorial, I'm going to invest my own money in Runway Gen 3 to give you an honest, in-depth look at how it works. We'll explore the best prompting techniques and experiment with various generations using Runway AI. Let's start with how to access Runway Gen 3. Search for runway.ai on Google and click the first link. You'll need to create an account to get started. It's important to note that this tool isn't free and it can be quite expensive. While there is a free plan available, it doesn't allow you to generate Gen 3 content. Most users will go with the standard plan, which costs $15 per month and provides about 625 credits. To put this into perspective, generating 1 second of Runway Gen 3 video costs 10 credits or about 10 cents. You can only generate videos in 5 or 10 second increments, meaning each generation will cost you either 50 cents or $1. These costs can accumulate quickly. For transparency, I want to clarify that I'm not sponsored by Runway. All the money spent in this tutorial is coming out of my own pocket. I'll keep track of the expenses throughout this video to give you a clear idea of the actual costs involved. Now let's start using Runway. After logging in, click on Get Started and ensure you've selected Gen 3 Alpha from the drop-down menu. You'll see a text box where you can input your prompts. Writing effective prompts is crucial for getting the best results, and we'll cover some strategies for this shortly. Before we generate our first video, it's worth checking out the guide button. Runway provides a helpful prompt structure that can significantly improve your results. The structure typically includes camera movement, establishing scene, and additional details. Let's create a sample video of a tropical paradise. We might write something like slow panning shot, revealing a pristine white sand beach. Crystal clear turquoise water laps gently at the shore, palm trees sway in the breeze, and a colorful parrot flies across the scene. After inputting your prompt, hit generate. The process takes about a minute for a 5-second clip or around 90 seconds for a 10-second clip. The wait can feel long, but the results are often worth it. Once your video is generated, you can make adjustments by tweaking your prompt and regenerating. For example, you might want to add a beachgoer or change the time of day to sunset. This flexibility allows for fine-tuning your results. Runway offers various camera styles to experiment with, including low angle, high angle, and first-person view. You can also play with different lighting options and movement speeds. One interesting feature is the ability to create hyperspeed effects. Let's try a more complex prompt: continuous hyperspeed first-person view footage. The camera seamlessly flies through a waterfall into dreamy clouds. This type of generation pushes the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated video. Now let's discuss prompting techniques in more detail. The quality of your prompt significantly impacts the output, and poor prompts can quickly deplete your credits. To help with this, you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you based on the Runway guide. For example, if we input a man with curly hair standing on the beach, close-up shot, and he smiles, ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt optimized for Runway. It's important to note that not every generation will be perfect. Let's look at some successful examples and some less successful ones. This jellyfish video, for instance, turned out exceptionally well due to a very detailed prompt. On the other hand, this attempt at generating a dragon resulted in some rather unusual and unintended effects. One of Runway's most impressive features is the ability to create custom visual effects. You can generate elements like lightning strikes or mystical portals on green screen backgrounds, opening up new possibilities for filmmakers and content creators. While Runway's capabilities are impressive, it's worth addressing the cost factor. It's not the most budget-friendly option, especially for beginners. However, the quality of videos you can create might justify the investment for some users. I recommend starting with the standard plan to get a feel for the tool before considering larger investments. There are a lot of practical applications for Runway. Travel vloggers could generate B-roll of destinations, science fiction creators could design alien landscapes, and music video producers could create visually stunning effects without a massive budget. Remember, Runway is continually evolving with new features and improvements being added regularly. The tool's potential is vast, limited only by your creativity and imagination. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. See you in the next one.